All right, so this is part 3, and here we're going to take our curved embroidery scissors, and if you have it, the heavy-duty rug carver, and we're just going to snip around the branch until you get it into a shape that you like before we do the white part of the leaf. So you can see I'm just snipping away at the loops, and it's a bit time consuming, but the effect is so cool, so it's worth taking this time. If you have duckbill scissors, they also work quite well for snipping loops, but I really do prefer the curved embroidery scissors over duckbill. I just find the duckbill a bit awkward to maneuver and also a little bit hard on my hands. So obviously carving off all this fluff can get quite messy, so I suggest having a vacuum with you just to kind of tidy up as you go. And that way you can also see what you're doing a lot more easily. Yeah. So this is just a wee look at when I'm finished carving the stem of the leaf. And yeah, I've just curved the edges quite a bit and I've trimmed it quite far down, so it won't be, so the leaf part will be protruding as opposed to the stem. And we'll move on to the next part.